Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make a delicious yummy mushroom curry which goes with all sort of rotis, chapatis, naan and also rice. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel so you don't miss my new videos which is coming every other Fridays. To make this curry, I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add 1 finely chopped onion. Cook the onion for a minute or two until it is soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now add 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon cloves powder and cook it for a minute. Add pinch of salt. Tomatoes, onions have cooked well. Now I have made a puree of 2 tomatoes. Add the puree and bring it to boil. It's boiling well and the oil is oozing out. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder and 1/2 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Let the spices cook for 2 minutes. Cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes so that the spices cooks well. The sauce has thickened. It smells really good. Now add 250 grams of diced mushroom. This curry is very easy to make and it doesn't take much time also, as the mushroom cooks very fast. It doesn't need much time for it to cook. Now add 1 cup water. I am using the water to wash the mixie jar and where I made the tomato puree. Add salt to taste. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The mushroom is releasing some moisture. Now add 2 tablespoons of almond powder. You can be replaced with cashew powder as cashew paste also. I'm using almond as it is healthier choice. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, which helps in thickening the gravy and gives the creamy texture. It is looking gorgeous. So bring it to boil. Make sure the salt and spice level are good. Add at the end, add 1 tablespoon of kasoori methi. Rub it and add it. Bring it to boil well. Our yummy tasty mushroom curry is ready. It is time to serve. It is a great combination for chapati, roti, naan, rice, and it is very simple and easy to make. So, and do try and let me know how it came in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And everyone, be happy, be healthy and be safe. Take care.